Choose a future where law meets business. The BBA LLB integrated program at Chandigarh University develops a holistic perspective and prepares you for roles that require a combination of business acumen and legal knowledge. Prepare for leadership in the corporate legal sector with diverse specializations. Get access to experiential learning experiences with moot court competitions, real-world case studies, and internship opportunities. Learn from industry and research collaborations, ensuring a cutting-edge learning experience that aligns with the evolving legal landscape. Stay ahead with advanced learning tools, empowering you to master decision-making with precision and foresight. Specialize in ADR at Madhyastha, Center of Excellence in ADR, where you'll enhance your skills through research and practice. Expand your legal acumen through memberships in prestigious academic societies. Learn from India's top legal minds who give valuable insights in the ever-evolving legal field.
Well, I wish you well in your careers. It's obviously a very lively and progressive university, and I hope you'll make the most of that because it's an enormous opportunity.
Also get ample opportunities to learn from legal icons and global academicians at international conferences, conclave and seminars. Our accomplished alumni are leaving a significant impact in the legal profession. Become a corporate legal expert ready to lead. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.